This is how you fall in love. Let's go and I'll hold you up. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chords back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing This Is How You Fall in Love by Zucker and Cuttler. Okay, so we're gonna play this in the key of G major, so we're not gonna be using the capo. Alright, let's start right from the beginning. So, sun in my eyes, navy blue skies, you were the reason I can surf high. Okay, so the chords here are, we have G major to D, and then we have E minor to C. Okay, so that's your very beginning of the song. Okay, and if you're not familiar with the chords here, you can check out my chord video. It's in the description, so you can learn how to hold them and then come back to this video for the progressions. If you know how to hold them, let's get into the strumming pattern. This is down, 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 up. Sorry, down, 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 up. Down, up, down, down. Okay? Down, 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 up, down, down. So and then we have this pre-chorus that has a bit of twist to it. We'll draw the curtains, never leave home. I had a nightmare. Okay, so we have I had a nightmare. That's D to C. Alright, so we have D, I had a nightmare, C. Okay, so this is the beginner version. D again. Now I'm not scared. Okay, if you're intermediate or advanced, the first time it's D to C, and then the second time it's a B minor 7, and then C. Alright, and then we go into the chorus. This is how you fall in love. Let's go and I'll hold you up. G to D. This is the chorus now. E minor and C. Alright, let me know if you want fingerstyle tutorial on that, but I think that's pretty much the whole song. Let me just check if there's a bridge. Okay, so the my love side to side is the same chords as the chorus, so that makes the whole song G, D, E minor, C. The chorus and then the bridge, and then you have different chords for your verse. And that is it, guys. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial.